Hey Charmers, welcome back. Reacting to breaking news on LinkedIn feel like showing up late to the party? Today, we ditch that slow lane. We're using Charm IQ to craft impactful, data-driven LinkedIn posts about breaking news, like these new tariffs. Forget hours of scrolling. We bring in the internet researcher Charm, ask him, summarize the latest tariff decision. Instant clarity. Need specifics? What goods are exempt? What's the likely economic impact? Precise answers, sourced in seconds. No spin, just signal. Now, the post itself. Generic won't cut it. We call the LinkedIn Growth Specialist Charm. But here's the magic. We feed it context. Our best practices, past successful posts, the Charm IQ overview, and the tariff info we just got. It knows us, it knows the topic, it knows LinkedIn. Look at that, a tailored draft in our voice. Not robotic junk, but here's where it gets really interesting. Don't love the first take? Think outside the AI box. Switch the underlying model, maybe flip from Gemini Pro to Claude Sonnet, like I did when prepping this. Suddenly, you get a different perspective, a different angle. I actually preferred the Sonnet version here. It just clicked better. Words are good, but visuals are even better. So, we need a chart, but not just any chart. Let's ask for some suggestions. We ask the code execution and data visualization specialist Charm, show me the top 10 reciprocal tariffs. Okay, cool. Now compare current estimate versus new tariffs. Nice! Actually, let's make the colors better. Light gray with yellow, something like that. I love it! If I want to try a different chart, I just go back and make the request. Say change background to black and use gradient orange. See that? We're conversing with our data viz expert, iterating instantly. No wrestling with complex tools, just asking, refining, getting exactly what makes the data pop. So, the Charm IQ way? Minutes, targeted research, context-aware writing, custom data visualization, all orchestrated seamlessly within one workspace by specialized AI charms working together. Try it yourself, link in the description. Until next time, happy charming.